Hey everyone, it's Kira and I'm here in the garden giving you a quick video today. So here I am just twining my cucumber plant, actually wrong one. This cucumber plant, I was in the middle of weaving this cucumber plant through the trellis and I accidentally snapped its stem. So I wanted to show you how you can hopefully repair and save your plant. What I'm going to be using is some washi tape, but I'm sure you could use regular floral tape or maybe even electric tape in a pinch. So here is the broken stem. You can see it just literally hanging on by a thread. And I've already had to use this method once this growing season, when I snapped a tomato seedling, like probably a week or so before I was able to put it in the ground, and I have it right here for you. Here is the tomato plant. You can see obviously it's doing fine now, but way down here towards the base is where I had to prepare it once more. And you can see, I believe this is the same tape. If not, but yeah, you get the point. Alright, so you just take a strip like this, and just wrap it around. And that's it. So now I can actually like it needs a little bit more securing at the top. So this one actually has a lot more. Okay, that should do it. I'm going to leave it on the outside for now, just so it can heal. But eventually I'll bring it back in. And that is it. My cucumber is repaired. Hopefully it works just as well as it did on my tomato plant. And thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you do not have the same situation, but if you do, you know how to fix it. Alright, till next time, take care. Bye.